So originally, when we as Igbo value the Ikenga, it can be commissioned to reflect the stage a man is in his life. This means that if a man who is a warrior would want his Ikenga to reflect his status at that particular time, he would describe his Ikenga to wield a machete, and the body will be very robust. It will also wear a grass skirt and is also going to have a head on a platter. Now, when he reaches the age that he has earned titles, his Ikenga would also change to represent nobility as at that point. You will see that his Ikenga would have the Ichi scarification markings and would also hold the elephant tusk order. Currently, so many young men no longer value the installation or the commission of Ikenga. But if we did not have any modern or religious interactions, how would it have evolved? Now, first of all, the modern man does no longer care about keeping the symbolic image of an Ikenga in his home. But if we were to create this imagery to represent an Ikenga using modern career paths and the various stages of life, then the symbolic image of a warrior will still be used when we try to make reference to men who have career paths in the armed forces, in police, in local vigilante groups, because their career paths also embodies the essence of a warrior. Now, the Ikenga of nobility would now be for people that have titles. It will still be the same thing. Now, career paths, writers and novelists, their Ikenga would hold a pen and a book. Now, this Ikenga symbolism, it can also be used for people who are philosophers because they're pen and paper thinking. Now, even for journalists and for people who are social critics, their career path will bear an Ikenga that has a pen and a paper. Now, in regards to traders, their Ikenga would also be shown to have an image of an animal skin and could even carry an abego, which is similar to Abaja that was carried by the Dibia. Now, this abego symbolizes wealth, mobility, Igbo men being resourceful, and the entrepreneurial spirits of Igbo. Now, the general idea here is that without the inception of Ndiocha, the colonial masters, the religious ideologies, we as Igbo would have actually found ways to introduce our traditional and cultural ideas into our modern day social environment.